Hey everyone, I am Kanchan Sardana from RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss about the transdermal drug delivery system. So transdermal drug delivery system are topically administered medicament in the form of the patches that deliver the drug for the systemic effect at predetermined controlled rate. Transdermal drug delivery system are adhesives which are drug containing devices of the defined surface area that deliver a predetermined amount of the drug to the surface of the intact skin where they adhere at a programmed rate to reach the systemic circulation. So what are the advantages of transdermal drug delivery system? Nowadays transdermal drug delivery system is commonly used to release the drug in the controlled manner. So what are the advantages? First, it avoids the first pass effect or metabolism. The action of the drug is of long duration. Comparable characteristics with the IV infusion. No interference with the gastric and the intestinal fluids. They are suitable for the drug having very short half-life like nitroglycerin, and for the drugs which have narrow therapeutic window and poor oral solubility or bioavailability. So poor oral bioavailability minimize the undesirable side effects. It provides the utilization of the drug with short biological half-lives and narrow therapeutic window. It avoids the fluctuation of the drug levels and inter and intra-patient variation caused due to the drug effect can be minimized. Termination of the therapy is easy at the point of time and self-administration is also possible. Transdermal patches are cost effective. So the activity of the drug having a short half-life is extended throughout the reservoir of the drug in which therapeutic delivery system and its controlled release. It is of great advantages in the patient who are nauseous and unconscious. The drugs which cannot be taken orally are given by the transdermal drug delivery system and which are poorly soluble. The transdermal patches are better way to deliver the substances that are broken down by the stomach and not absorbed from the gut. Then disadvantages of transdermal drug delivery system. It has poor diffusion of the large molecule. We cannot incorporate the large molecule in the polymers. Not suitable for the high drug dose. So lower dose is required in TDS. Many drugs, especially drug with the hydrophilic structure, permeable to the skin and may not achieve the therapeutic level. Absorption efficiencies vary in different sides of the skin. So there are 3 layers of the skin: epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. So it requires different absorption efficiency. It cannot deliver the ionic drugs and it cannot achieve high drug level in the blood and it cannot deliver in a pulsative movement. So sufficient aqueous and liquid solubility is required as of the log P value between 1 and 3 is required to permeate the transverse stratum corneum layer and underlying aqueous layer. Another disadvantage is only potent drugs are suitable candidate for the transdermal patch because of the natural limit of the drug entry imposed by the skin impermeability. They are unsuitable for large molecular size. Drug causes skin irritation and sensitization which cause allergic reaction and metabolize in the skin and protein binding in the skin or drug doses large. So these are unsuitable in the transdermal drug delivery system. So this is all about the introduction of